just leaving Twin Bridges and I'm heading down toward Belgrade. I'm going to put my camera on hyperlapse. This will be kind of quick, but at least you can kind of see these cool clouds. It's a beautiful day here in southwestern Montana, and I thought, well, heck, since I have this new mount on my car, I don't have to hold the phone. I'm going to try this out. Enjoy the ride. Okay, so I'm in Silver Star right now, and then we'll be heading on back. I changed my format so you can get a little bit bigger picture, but so that little hyperspeed thing was, I don't know, about 15-minute drive in like, what, a minute? I'm in Whitehall now. I'm going to turn the video just to regular speed so you can see Whitehall. I did do a video on all the murals here in Whitehall a little while ago. I'll put a link in the comments, and you might want to check that out. It's kind of interesting, but I didn't go up the road that takes you to I-15. I'm going to hop on I-15, and then I'll change it to hyperspeed and just let you see what it's like from Whitehall to, I'll probably get off at Three Forks, Montana. I forgot I gotta pull in here and get some gas. So by the way, it's the end of September here in Montana, and gas is $4.14 for regular right here in Whitehall. I think that's probably pretty common. Okay, so now we're gonna turn left and head to I-15. This is the main entrance into Whitehall. Oh, by the way, right across the street here, 2-Bit Saloon. They're open again. They cleaned it up. It's really nice in there, and they've got absolutely the best hamburgers, and then they make chips. They make their own deep fat fried chips, which are delicious. And don't forget to get the 2-Bit sauce. It's really good. Anyway, they're building a new town pump up ahead here. I mean, it's huge, so I guess they get a lot of people stopping here for fuel and stuff. Whitehall's not a very big town. I think it's like Well, you know, I don't really even know how big Whitehall is. You can check the links, or check the description for links about Whitehall, and I always put information in there. Wow, I don't even recognize that it's been here. They put these things up fast. You know, Town Pump is everywhere in Montana. It's actually a good place to get your fuel, and I just like to go to the small ones, but alright, so if you turn right, you head toward Bozeman, Billings, and all that, and then left is toward Butte. We're about 30 minutes from Butte, and about that same amount of time to Three Forks. Oh, I got it with me in the picture. Oh, bummer. I didn't really want to do that. Okay, so I pulled off here in Cardwell. If you were to go to Yellowstone Park, you can turn here and head that way, and then you can also go to Lewis and Clark Caverns from here, and it's a pretty nice drive actually. But I'm just going to turn the camera around, put it on hyperspeed again, and we'll actually drive past Three Forks, and then I'll pull off in Manhattan, but I'm not going to stop and change. It'll just be in hyperspeed. And I'll take the back road from Manhattan to Belgrade. You can just kind of get a sense of things. It's a little more country that way, and that's what I like. All right, well, once again, enjoy the ride.
Okay, if you made it this far, well, thanks for watching. I'm in Belgrade, Montana. Not really a whole lot of exciting things going on, but I just wanted to tell you, if you did make it this far, I was practicing some different things with my camera, so it was kind of not the best recording, but anyway, bear with me. Even though I've made zillions of videos, I'm still learning. And I appreciate you watching. So if you want to subscribe to Travels with Lucky, you might see some better videos than this one. But yeah, and hit the like button, of course, all those things, and the bell. So anyway, thanks for watching. Travels with Lucky here.